Hi everybody. Today's our topic is the product of fraction with a fraction. So let us see one example. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Suppose, how can you represent 1 by 3? I represented 1 by 3 like this. I divide this rectangle into 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, I am taking one part. So this is 1 by 3. The shaded part is 1 by 3. So what we are doing, what is meant by 1 by 2 into 1 by 3? 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. We learned this in previous video. So 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. That means 1 by 3 ni 1 by 2 చేస్తున్నాం. So we are doing 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. So we are taking half of the 1 by 3. What is the half? So by taking half, this is the half. If you do the remaining also same by dividing equal parts, we'll get like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Out of these 6 parts, we are taking half, one part. So one part you have to take. So that equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6. Let us see one more example. 1 by 3 into 3 of 3 by 5. 1 by 3 of 3 by 5. So let us see. Divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5, so you have to take 3 parts. I am taking 3 parts. This is okay. So what is mean by 1 by 3 into 3 by 5? 1 by 3 of 3 by 5. So in 3 by 5, you have to take 1 by 3 parts. So in this, you have to take 1 by 3rd part. So I am dividing this part into 3 parts. I am dividing this 3 by 5 part into 3 parts. In that, you have to take one part. From these 3 parts, you have to take only one part. I am taking this part. Okay. Now, suppose I am dividing these remaining parts also equal to these parts. Suppose that is. So, it is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Totally, how much we got? 1, 2, 3 out of 15. Out of 15. That means 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 15. By observing these two, we can conclude that. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6. That means 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 into 1 by 2 into 3. That equal to 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. Here also 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 5. That equal to 1 into 3, 3. 3 5 is 15. So this is the method to find the product of two fractions. So how can you do? The product of two fractions equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Let us see the problems from exercise 3. So exercise 3. So in this first problem, find the product, and that first one is 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. So what we have? 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. So what is the product of fractions? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 5 sevens are 35 by 6 11s are 66. This is product. Next, 2 whole 1 by 3 into 3 whole 1 by 5. These two are in mixed fraction. To find the product, first of all you have to change into improper fraction. So this is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, plus 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. So this is into numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Okay, 16 sevens are 112 by 3 5s are 15. So it is in improper. Change it to again mixed fraction. 112 by 15. 15 sevens are 105. So that is 7. 7 whole 7 by 15. So that equals 7 whole 7 by 15. Next, second bit. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. So first one is 2 by 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. First of all, this change into improper. 2 by 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. So the product of two fractions, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 26 into 2, 52 by 15. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. So it is divided by only 3 and 5, but it is neither 3 nor 5. Change into mixed fraction. So 52 divided by 15. 15 3s are 45. So that is 7 remainder. 3 whole. So that equals 3 whole 7 by 15. Next, second one is. So this is directly 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 9 5s are 45 by 3 5s are 15. So is it possible to cancel? Cancel means divide numerator and denominator with same number. So it is divided by 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means no need to write by 1. So it equal to 3. The next question. Which one is greater? 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2? First of all, we have to find individually 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and also 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. First I am finding 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. So this is 2 by 5 of means into 4 by 7. So here the product of two fractions, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Second one is 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So that means 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Half means into. 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. So what you have to find? Which one is greater? So you have to compare these two. 8 by 35 and 3 by 8. So we are going to compare 8 by 35 and 3 by 8. So we are comparing these two. So to compare these two, what you have to find? Find the LCM of 35 and 8. So LCM of 35 and 8. So 5 7s are 35, 8. So 7 1s are 7, 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 into 7, 280. So LCM of 35 and 8 is 280. 280. So now 8 by 35. What you have to do? Change the denominator into 280. 35 ni 280 ki equal cheyali. Okay, to make it 280, you have to multiply with some number. That is, by multiplying 8, you will get 280. So multiplying numerator and denominator with 8. That equal to 88 is 64. 35 into 8, 280. So and second one, 3 by 8. So to make it 280, you have to multiply with 35 into 35. So 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. 35 into 3 105. 35 into 80 280. Now in these two fractions we have same denominator. If we have same denominator which has more in numerator, that is the greater fraction. So this has more. So 105 is greater than 64. That's why 105 by 280 is greater than 64 by 280. So what is 105? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is greater than 8 by 35. 8 by 35. What is 3 by 8? 3 by 4 half. 3 by 4 half 1 by 2 is greater. Okay. So this is the greater one. So you have to do the second one. So next question is fourth question. Rehana works 2 whole 1 by 2 hours each day on her embroidery. She completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete the work? So Rehana works daily 2 whole 1 by 2 hours. Daily 2 whole 1 by 2 hours work చేస్తుంది. To complete the work, she takes 7 days. 2 whole 1 by 2 hours work చేస్తుంది. ఇంత డైలీ ఇంత వర్క్ చేస్తే she complete the work in 7 days. So what you have to find? In how many hours complete the work? Daily 2.5 hours వర్క్ చేస్తూ 7 days వర్క్ చేస్తే మొత్తం ఎన్ని గంటలు ఎన్ని అవర్స్ వర్క్ చేసినట్టు? సో అంటే వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? 2 whole 1 by 2 into 7. 2 whole 1 by 2 of 7 days. Okay, 1 day ki inta 7 days. 2 whole 1 by 2 of 7 days. So that is daily working hours. Working hours or working time equal to 2 whole 1 by 2. So this is hours. So that equal to, it is in mixed fraction, change into improper. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 hours. Okay. Next, number of working days. Number of working days. How many days she did? She completed in 7 days. Total taken hours to complete the work, that equal to 5 by 2 of 7 days. That is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7. That is 5 into numerator into whole number by denominator. 5 7s are 35 by 2. Change into improper. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder 5. 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder. 17 whole 1 by 2. 17 whole 1 by 2. That means 17 and a half hours. So total, this you have to write again. Total taken hours to complete the work equal to 17 whole 1 by 2 hours. This statement you have to write again and down. Seventh one, provide the number in the box to make the statement true. So what is the question? Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. So in box lo edo fraction rayali. It makes this product equal to 20 by 21. The LHS equal to RHS IL chudali. So now you have to write a number or a fraction. Suppose we have a fraction. This fraction into another fraction. So here 2 into how much? The product of two fractions mean what? Suppose 2 by 3 into we have some numbers, some by equal to, you should get 20 by 21. 2 into how much? So this is 2 into how much should be equal to 20. 2 into how much? 2 tens are 20. 3 into how much should be equal to 21. 3 sevens are 20. This is 10 by 7. 5 into how much should be equal to 3. Should be equal to dash. So let us see. 5 by 7 into, let us take some a by 5 equal to 3 by some, let us x. 5 into something equal to 3. 7 into 5 equal to x. Okay. Let us see. Suppose remove this. 5 into how much should be equal to 3? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. ఏది చేసినా మనకు 3 అయితే రావట్లేదు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ చూస్తే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. 7 5s are 35. But here 5 into anything is not equal to 3. 5 into ఏది చేసినా 3కి ఈక్వల్ రాదు. సో టు గెట్ దిస్ we have a some number. After cancellation we got the 3. That we can understand. 3 రాదు యాక్చువల్గా, బట్ వచ్చింది అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటిది? ఏదో వచ్చింది, క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చిందని అర్థం. సో ఇయర్ యాక్చువల్లీ we got here 35. So 35 is divided by only by 5 and 7. By cancelling 35 by 5, we'll get 5 7s are 35. To get here 3, so here if we divide 35 by 5, we should divide the numerator also 5 by keeping 15. Then we get 5 3s are 15. ఇక్కడ 35 ఉంది. 35 we can cancel with 5 or 7. If you cancel with 5, 5తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 5తో 7తో మాత్రమే క్యాన్సిల్. 5తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 5 7s are 35. ఇక్కడ 3 రావాలి. 3 రావాలంటే ఏ నెంబర్ని 5తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. సో 15. 5 3s are 15. సో వాట్ విల్ గెట్ హియర్? 7 5s are 35. It may be 15. By cancellation we'll get 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. This is 3 by 7. To get here 15, we should write here 3. Okay, this is the answer. 7 5s are 35. We cancel with 5. We can cancel with 7 also. 7 5s are 35. To get here 3, it should be 21. Then only 7 3s are 21. We can write 5. To get here 5, we should get here 21. By multiplying 5 with any number, we cannot get 21. So 3 and 7 are only the solutions. Okay, this is exercise 3 and this is the product of two fractions. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, write in comment box. Thank you.